Welcome to Shop Talk Series, the digital channel to explore SAP innovation and supply chain management and focused on digital manufacturing. It's about inspiration, insight, and innovation. My name is Ralf Lehmann. I'm a Senior Director in the Global Solution Management for Industry 4.0 and Digital Manufacturing at SAP SE. Today, we want to put a focus on the Hannover Messe. And my guest for today is Georg Kube. Georg is Global Vice President and the Head of Industrial Manufacturing at SAP. Hello, Georg. How are you today?
Hello, Ralf. I'm awesome.
I'm very much looking forward to one of the big events we're having in Europe, the Hannover Messe. And
Yes.
After a downtime, now the Messe is back and SAP is back on the Hannover Messe. Would you like to give us some insights? What's the key message from SAP this year at Hannover Messe?
Absolutely. Happy to, Ralf. You know, if we think about Hannover Messe, we need to look at the world at large. And there are the three big problems that we're facing right now, which is the climate crisis, it's COVID, and it's the disruption situation in Europe through the Ukraine, actually global disruptions through the situation in the Ukraine. And everybody needs to react. The manufacturing industries need to react. Our problem is that everybody is interconnected. Everything is interconnected globally. The supply chains, the interrelations in working, outsourced manufacturing, all this relies on a globally connected world, and that is disrupted right now. So the question is, how can we deal with it? How can we become more proactive? And this is very, very closely connected with the three main topics that we are going to show on our booth at Hannover Fair, which is sustainability, resilience, and business transformation. These are the three topics that we are going to focus our showcases, our solutions, and everything that we show around.
Yeah, you're right. There are a huge amount of disruptions out there that are challenging all of us. And now I think it's the right point in time also to have a deeper look in how can I innovate my process in order to find the resilient path forward and even be sustainable at the same time. What impact does this have in special for the manufacturing industry?
You know, Ralf, I look at it in two ways. I think the manufacturing industry is very much affected by all these problems because, like many other industries, but probably especially so, we are an interconnected industry. So we are suffering from the situation and we need to find solutions to mitigate that suffering. But we're also part of helping to overcome these problems by building new innovative equipment and solutions to be more sustainable and to rebuild what is being destroyed right now. And at the core of every manufacturing company is the design to operate process, which really looks at their product from the earliest design stage, the earliest idea, all the way to the operation and putting it into the real life and servicing it. And what we are going to show on our booth is how the design to operate process together with SAP solutions can be run in the best possible way to help companies to achieve sustainability, resiliency, and business transformation.
That's awesome. And on top of that, it's not only the discussion and exchange with our SAP experts, we also have showcases, again, on site, right from a high-level positioning down to the bits and bytes of industrial hardware interacting with newest technologies from the cloud that customers can experience there. So thank you for the insights, Georg, and looking very much forward meeting you and all of our customers in Hannover.
Absolutely, and so do I. I'm looking forward to see you all. I'm looking forward to see you, Ralf. And as you said, we do have showcases. One will be virtually remote. That is our discrete manufacturing shop floor showcase. But one will be physically there. That is our process industries showcase that shows how a segment of one chemical production interacts with our solution. So very, very exciting. Please do come and meet me. I'll be there. Looking forward to see you.
Thank you, Georg.